Alright, the first thing we're going to do is remove these, I don't know what they're called, little covers that hide the screws. 4 of them serve as feet in case you're placing the PlayStation on its bottom, I guess. I'm going to use the Phillips 2 bit to start this. We will be using 3 different screw bits, and I'll show every time I change them to remind you, if you're doing this following along, which one I'm using. One tough decision we face. Do we remove the warranty seal and void the warranty on this PlayStation 2? I guess we're going to have to do it to clean it, so... There we go. Alright, let's see what we have inside of here. Now these are still connected by that ribbon cable. I'm going to pop this bit out of the way just to be able to separate these 2 sides. These little hinge doors are spring activated. I think I'm going to leave these springs on these pieces rather than taking them off. Normally I would take them off to be able to soak these plastic pieces to clean them, but these are very small. I just want to leave them. I love it when they use tape inside of these. There is a little gate that we need to flip up to pull this ribbon cable out. There we go. I want to be very careful here, not as much with this part, but the fan here is connected with a very delicate small cable. So I'm just trying to pull this plastic thing off and get it out of the way. There we go. I'm going to flip everything upside down so we can take the remaining part of the shell off. Just pull up right there from those connectors. And here we have our power board. It's dirty, but looks good. I'm going to remove this just to get it separate. I'm going to very carefully wiggle that back and forth. Mostly just getting stuff off of here right now. I'm going to pull those back. That releases that metal plate. I've got a lot of little cables now to carefully wiggle out of the way. All right. One more connection here. I'm going to push those little parts of the gate forward, then we can pull this last ribbon cable out, and we should have our motherboard free. I'm going to take this apart for the cleaning. There's a little clip to flip up on there, and that should pull off. It's really stuck. I'm trying to be careful here. I can replace this battery while we're in here. I don't want to take apart the entirety of this disk drive, but I do want to break it down enough to be able to clean inside of here. All right, let's get this put back together. I accidentally broke a little piece off there. I'm gonna have to hope that this still will hold secure enough, just with the tension of the screw in the middle and the one point of contact. Looks like everything lines up. Need to carefully reinsert that, then push those gates closed again. I need to find a way to balance this, so I'm just going to put the handles of my pliers underneath the other end. I accidentally got that cable backwards. Let's flip it around. Should just set down in and re-clip. There we go. Reclose that gate and tuck that down in there. I was able to use this same tape. I'm so proud of me. I wanted to show you when you set this in to make sure that the ends of those springs are set in those little holders. There, spring works good.